the shipping saga. I don't have you on it.
Okay.
We're still having problems with getting stuff shipped here. Our Amazon packages, one of them says it was delivered on Saturday and it was delivered in Athens. Another one is being delivered in Thessalonica. Another one says it was shipped, but it wasn't shipped. We contacted the seller for that. Our safety hatch handles, which I ordered I think almost 2.5 weeks ago now. The tracking information says they're in Athens, but I'm concerned if they'll make it over here. It'd be easy enough to go grab some of the items, but some of the items coming are the size, you know, almost the size of a car, the compact car that you could rent here. So
He's trying to be modest about his big packages.
the reasons why I love her. Yeah, so that's an update on the mail.
Bee's making some pasta. Ratio 1 egg per person.
1 egg per person.
Yeah.
Gluten-free is a different animal sometimes. It's hard to tell if it's the flour or if it dried out until you kind of mend it a few times.
So when we first started dating, Brian learned how to make gluten-free noodles for me because I can't have the gluten. And he can make pasta, breads, treats, crepes. Oh my gosh, the crepes are so freaking good. Yeah, he didn't want me to be without all the tasty goods. Lemon noodles. The secret's in the beard. That's where he holds his gluten-free secrets. It's gluten-free, doesn't fall apart, has a little bite to it. It's beautiful, a little eggy taste, wonderful. Today may be the end of the package mystery deliveries.
Got an email saying that our package with our safety handles, our safety hatch handles, were in Athens, and so we were stressing out because we kind of need them. Well, we got an email last night saying that they went from Athens to Preveza by courier, so we get to go for a dinghy ride with the new motor.
Yeah.
And it's sprinkling.
Yeah, it's a little sprinkly rainy day, but it's not bad. And Brian has shorts on. In true Brian fashion.
Not cold yet.
It's the magic of the Christmas socks. That's what keeps them warm. Just Christmas magic. Built-in hot cocoa in those bad boys. This is the gecko.
Comes with 2 motors.
Spare motor.
Safety right now.
Can we for the bed?
Have a tracking number.
Do I have a tracking number? Yeah. Isn't that the tracking number?
No. This name?
That's the name.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
You getting dressed for the occasion?
Just layer upon layer. This is not what we wanted it to be.
Damn it.
Shit.
The saga continues. Will we ever get our handles for the safety hatches?